Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Adobe Acrobat keeps opening PDF files automatically in 2026, don't worry. This usually happens because Adobe Acrobat has been set as your default PDF application. So every time you click a PDF, Acrobat launches automatically. So the good news, you can easily stop this behavior by changing your default PDF app or adjusting browser settings, okay? So first thing you can do is change the default PDF app on Windows. Like if every PDF opens in Acrobat, right click any PDF file, okay, select open with and choose another app, select your preferred PDF viewer, check always use this app. So after that click OK. It stops Acrobat from opening PDFs automatically and it sets a new default PDF reader. So popular alternatives include Microsoft Edge and browser PDF viewers. Okay, you can also change the default PDF app on Mac OS. Like on Mac, right click a PDF file, select get info, open with, and then choose another PDF application and click change all. Okay, you can also stop PDFs from opening after downloading in Chrome. Like sometimes Chrome opens PDFs automatically after download, so open Chrome, click downloads and find a downloaded PDF and disable automatic opening, or open Chrome settings, privacy and security, site setting and additional content settings, and go to PDF documents and choose how PDFs should be handled. Okay, so this stops downloaded PDFs from launching automatically. It gives you control over PDF behavior, and settings may vary slightly between Chrome versions. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.